I gotta tell you, if on one of these next videos, if I come on and my hair is just all buzzed off, don't be surprised, that could happen. Anyway, today I wanted to give you a quick channel update on where we're at, where we're going, what's happening. A lot has been going on the past couple months. Bunch of stuff to talk about today, but basically here's what I want to cover. I want to cover, first off, an update on the channel, my posting schedule, what I'm going to be covering in the coming weeks and months. I want to talk about the course launch that's going to be coming up in the next couple weeks as well. A lot of you have asked about that in emails and comments and things like that, and so I want to update you on that. And then finally, I want to talk about this t-shirt I've got right here, hashtag legalrockstar, what this means, what it's all about, and we'll go into that. But so this is not your typical video. This is really, honestly, this is for you subscribers out there who watch me, like me, watch all my videos and content. This is really for you. If you're out there and you haven't found me before and you'd like to watch, that's fine too. But for those of you that are my diehard subscribers, go ahead, comment below. Let me know what you're thinking about the channel, where we're going. Let's talk about, first of all, the topics that I want to talk about on this channel, as well as my posting schedule. First of all, I did about a week or two ago, I did a poll in the community tab. So you can check that out if you'd like. But basically what I asked is, I'm starting to plot out my content. I'm wondering what type of content you want to see. And I gave a number of options: more stimulus videos, videos about LLCs, personal finance, productivity hacks, entrepreneurship, building an online business. Those were the main topics I saw. The overwhelming favorites were getting back to doing videos about LLCs and entrepreneurship and online business building tips. And so those are the two topics that I'm going to be focusing on moving forward with the channel, at least in the short term. My goal, I'm just going to put this out there publicly, this may or may not happen, is to post a legal tip regarding LLCs and those type of things on Tuesday. So it'll be Legal Tip Tuesday. I guess that works fine. And then on Thursday, we will do more of an entrepreneurship video. And I'll be honest, somewhat selfishly, that's what I really like talking about. So I'm happy to hear that a lot of people wanted to see more videos about that, because I love talking about entrepreneurship, building an online business, things of that sort. That's where I'm going with the channel. We'll see how the 2 videos a week schedule works and what that means in terms of stimulus videos. If something big happens in the news, I'll post about it, but I'm not going to make that a focus of my channel, and I'm not going to be doing a lot of videos about that moving forward. There we go with that. Real quickly, I want to talk about my course launch. So for those of you that don't know, I have a course. It's called the Online Business Legal Toolkit. I launched it originally back about 2 months ago, I think. Rousing success. More people signed up than I could have ever hoped for. Thank you so much to all of you that signed up. That was fantastic, and I really appreciate it. I'm going to be relaunching the course. A lot of you have been asking about this. I still get people emailing me and saying, where's that $99 offer for that course? Well, unfortunately, that is gone. That was a special offer I gave to initial beta testers, the first people that signed up for the course, who were on my email list and who were paying attention and saw that I had posted that it was open. They got access to that. Then I bumped the price up a bit, and now I'm going to be bumping the price up again. The reviews that I got from the initial round of people that were in the course were phenomenal. They gave me so much great feedback of things I could do better, of things they'd like to see more of things that they didn't like so much. And so I'm working on updating and improving the course for this next round. The price is going to go up. It's going to be $297 this round, and just so everyone knows right now, and that's going to be for this round. When I launch again, probably in another month or two after this, the price will go up again. But what's going to happen with this round that's going to be unique is I'm going to do the same format I did with the initial class. That is to say, I did 4 weekly calls with them. So I spent about 8 hours on Zoom with members of those class answering questions they had about how to start a business online, how to legally start a business online, things they need to know about LLCs, trademarks, contracts, independent contractors, all those types of things, copyrights. We talked a lot about that, and I'm going to be doing that again. That was in the feedback I got from people that took the course. That was the part of the course that they liked the most, was the community building, the being on the Zoom, and a lot of them were sad to see that go. We're looking into options options. I'm not gonna say anything yet, but I'm looking into options to make that a more permanent part for the alumni of the course, that they can stay on and we can continue to do weekly calls, things like that. As of right now, that's not in the works yet, but that may be coming. I'm gonna be launching this course again, and the dates are going to be, I'm looking at either the 24th or the 25th to launch the course. It'll be shutting down at the end of June, so either the 29th or 30th. That's basically the cart open window that's gonna be for this round of the course. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna start the first group coaching call will be after the 4th of July holiday. That's where we're going with that. And I will also say that this may or may not be the last time I do the group coaching calls. It's a lot of work to do those group coaching calls. It takes a lot of time. As I start to move towards continuing to improve this course and making it more of an evergreen course, I'm not going to be able to do those group coaching calls, but we'll see. This may be the last time we do the group coaching calls, so just so you're aware of that. Also, the price will go up again when I do it again. Last thing, Legal Rockstar. I just want to give a shout out. This is not a promotive video of any sort, but I do want to give a shout out to Legal Inc. Legal Inc. is the company that I use that helps me set up your LLCs in all 50 states. I can serve as a registered agent in all 50 states because of Legal Inc. We're gonna step away for a minute. I'm gonna go to the screen and show you what that means. All right, I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to get started with the DIY portion of my website. So first thing you're gonna wanna go is go over to Hawthorn Law, and you're gonna go over to Form Your LLC Today, click on that link, and that's gonna take you to my Legal Inc. website that has been set up. And here you can see you can get started in every state. We do, the questionnaire is very easy to complete. You will get electronic delivery of all your documents, and basically what you can do here is you just click on your state. So let's say in our case we're in North Carolina, and let's say we want to start an LLC. You can also do a DBA. The fees are $199 plus whatever the state filing fees are. You can go click on Get Started there and just fill out your information and just go right through that. You don't actually need to pay for anything until you have finished through everything. So you can go through everything and you can actually save this to your account, and then if you have a question or something and you need to talk to me about it, there is a phone number there, but it's probably easier to schedule a call with me because, or at least email me and say, hey, I'm trying to go through this, can you help me? I've got a question. Now, if you wanted to just do a registered agent, which a lot of people do, you can go ahead and click on this registered agent tab. It's $159. If you include it as part of your initial LLC filing, it's only $99. And so again, you just click on the state. I'll do North Carolina again because that's where we're at. Click on Get Started, and boom, there you go. You just set in your information here and you're good to go. Hopefully that's helpful to you. That's why I like Legal Inc. It's just easy, it just works. So thank you so much, and back to the video. This is a fantastic company. They're very easy to work with. Heather at Legal Inc. is the person that I talk to most often. She is fantastic, and I just can't say enough great things about this company, and they make it so much easier for me to provide you with exceptional customer service as it comes to setting up your LLCs, your business entities, and all those sorts of things. So thank you, Legal Inc. Hashtag legalrockstar. So comment below, let me know what you think. Let me know if you've got any comments about the course, about Legal Inc., about, what else did I talk about? The posting schedule, the content that's gonna be on the channel. Let me know, I'd love to hear from you. And this is kind of a special one-off video. This is not the way I typically do my videos. This is really for you, my community, and I hope you found it helpful. So I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment below. Take care, folks.